I'll show you how to log out of all devices on Spotify. Now, if you have Spotify open on your iPhone or Android or computer, we need to hop out of the app. Unfortunately, you cannot do this in the app, but you can do it in the website-based version. So let's open up a web browser on your device. And all we're going to do is go to Spotify.com. After we've done that, we need to make sure that we've logged in, but don't tap on open. Make sure you stay in the web-based version. And now from here, all we need to do is get to your settings for your account. You'll be able to see when you're in the settings for your account, you can see your plan here. Mine is Premium Family. All I need to do is scroll down here, and towards the bottom, it'll give me the option that says Sign Out of Everywhere. Now, I have two options here. I can choose Sign Out Everywhere. It says it can take up to an hour for this to take effect. But also it says when I do that, it doesn't necessarily remove access to speakers, game consoles, and TVs. To remove access to those, you need to tap on that, and then it'll show you all of the apps. In my case, I have Sonos speakers, and if you want to remove access to those devices to Spotify, just tap on that Remove Access button, and you're good to go.